Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some honey garlic soy sauce wings, and they are sticky and delicious, and they just came out of the oven. They are super caramelized. Woo! If you guys can see. Oh, they look so good. I'll put the ingredients in the description if you guys are interested in how to make this. It looks so good. It's like sticky and garlicky. I put so much garlic on here. You guys know I love garlic and I love soy sauce. So I did like a bunch of honey and garlic to get this nice beautiful caramelized. I also marinated this chicken for like 2 days. You don't have to do that, but it just worked out for me. And I topped it with some sesame seeds and some green onions. You guys want to get a better look. Oh, so good. Alright, let's dig in. Also for my drink, I have a seltzer with lemon. Oh, this one looks good. Ooh, it's hot though. This one's kind of a smaller guy. So much garlic. Ooh. These are the wings with the, like the drum and the flat attached in the wing. Oh, I don't even know how to tackle this. That tastes like some restaurant quality chicken. I'm so proud of myself. I made something similar to this before, but not as soy sauce heavy. So juicy and good. Not dry at all. I think when you caramelize it, it really traps the juices in. So good. It's very hot though. I'm trying to pull it apart, but it's burning my hand. So good. Whenever I watch mukbangs eating chicken, like mukbangers eating chicken, it looks so good. It makes me want fried chicken. This isn't fried, but it's oven baked, but it has a nice caramelized skin on it. I've been eating actually a lot of seafood lately, my previous mukbangs. So today, even though it's like 87 degrees, I really wanted to do like a fall look again. So I'm wearing like my maroon top and like more fall appropriate makeup. I really like how moist the chicken is. So good. I have a little wing left. So it's like a sticky. know some people don't eat the little wing oven, but I just eat what's, you know, edible. It's mostly bone at the end. Oh, next let's try this big boy. This is a big one. Oh, so good. There's no way I can eat all this chicken, but I wanted to show you guys. What's your guys' favorite type of wings? Comment down below. I usually love like just plain buffalo, but I also love like soy sauce based ones as long as they're not too sweet, like teriyaki. I like Korean fried chicken. I like Korean roasted chicken as well. Some green onion on there. I think last time I made this, I put less soy sauce. I didn't marinate the chicken, and it was more honey heavy. This time it's a little more soy sauce heavy. I actually kind of prefer the, well, I like them both, but the honey and garlic heavy ones are more like easier to eat, like more of. These ones, since they're very salty, you can only eat like so many. That meat though was like super nice. My second one. Wow, these are big wings. I mean, because they have like, you know, it's not just one wing. It's like I'm eating two at a time. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about this. When they sell like boneless wings, which are essentially chicken tenders or chicken nuggets, I feel like you shouldn't call them you shouldn't call them boneless wings, because I don't know, it's not really like wing meat probably anyway. I mean, I could be wrong, I don't know. Correct me if you know. But I don't think they have like wing meat in those. It's probably like chicken breast or thigh or something. I'm like, it's a chicken nugget or it's a chicken strip. Still a charred bit is yummy. Which one should I eat next? I think I'm gonna go for this smaller guy because I am kind of full. Let's hear this part. Some green onion on there. I need to meet somebody that likes garlic as much as I do. I know in Gilroy, California, they have a garlic festival. I'd want to go to it. They even have like garlic ice cream. That sounds nasty, but I try it just for fun. Like I bet it's like really weird. But I mean, like when you caramelize garlic or like roast it and it gets really nice and caramelized, it gets very sweet. So maybe they use that. I also want to go to like a food festival. I've only been to like Eat the Street, which is like a food truck gathering. And I think the only food festival that I really know of here is Spam Jam. We like our spam here. I've never been to it because I don't know. It's never worked out. But and then we either have like smaller festivals. There's a Greek food festival that I want to go to. Well, it's not like a Greek food festival, it's a Greek festival. They have food there. But it's not like mainly based on a food item like Spam Jam or the Garlic Festival. I don't know where, but there's pickle festivals. I'd want to go to that. I love pickles. Or like a crab festival. Ooh, that sounds so good. I hope no one like allergic to shellfish would go to that, because like that's just so dangerous. My sister's allergic and I'm sure she'd want to go. Well, she loves seafood, but she can't eat it anymore. Chewing a little wingtip. Oh. That one's too burnt. Like, we do have carnivals and stuff, but our carnival food isn't great. Like, I see in the mainland, like, there's so much, like, cool stuff, but we don't get very, like, interesting carnival food. It's pretty basic. It's, like, local food and then, like, fair food, which is, like, not great. I like going to the flea market, because in, like, California, there's, like, lots of delicious Mexican treats there. But yeah, let me know if you've been to a food festival. I really want to go to like a pickle one, a crab one, or like just seafood in general. And a garlic one. Mm. good. Salty. I think I'm gonna have one more wing. So far I've had, I think, 3, 4, and then like times 2. Last one. This one has like a butt ton of garlic on it. That's gonna do it for today. My hands are all sticky. I need to go wash off. I only have 2 wings left. Thank you guys so much for joining me again for another mukbang. If you guys enjoy my content, please subscribe and give this video a like. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!